In my early years of Zippo lighter collecting, I was looking towards acquiring a few more pieces at a more affordable price. I did not mind if they were being used, so what better places were there to look for these other than the local flea market which existed during that time? The Sungei Road Flea Market was Singapore's oldest and largest flea market space until the year 2017 when it was relocated. Prior to the relocations, I was pretty lucky to obtain a couple of pieces that I'm going to show you one of them. This item is bottom stamped the date of November 1995. At its facade bears the Harley Davidson motorcycle logo with an angry looking bear, and it says the strong survive. I believe this emblem to be acid etched and silkscreen, looking at the depths and textures of the artwork that thankfully still remains intact despite of the condition of this lighter. This item used to belong to a person named Bernard Bird. Upon purchase of this lighter from the flea market, I had this sent to the Bradford Repair Clinic to have the hinge replaced. It came with a very loose floppy hinge that would have almost fallen apart. I was pretty surprised that halfway around the globe, Zippo would still send this back to me. Either way, over both sides, the shipping costs were in fact very hefty for myself and Zippo as well. This is not the original insert from the lighter. Right now I could not remember if I ever had it. This is a replacement insert because this is a permanent display at my shelf. Just a word of advice based on what I experienced, that when exposed to air for prolonged periods of time, the cam spring will start showing signs of rust. I have not seen elsewhere such an emblem that Harley Davidson had produced on its Zippo lighters. Back then, when I wrote to Zippo company with a picture, they said that this is real, this is legit. So if anyone else has come across such an artwork like this, do drop your comments below. I would like to hear from you. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope all of you stay safe and have a great one.